Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your Asus model and firmware. This matters because menu locations vary. Once done, backup data and make a Windows recovery USB so you can recover if anything breaks. Reboot and press F2 or Del to enter UEFI, switch to advanced mode. Make sure secure boot items appear under boot or security. You will see an option to clear or manage keys. Do not clear keys yet. Note where import/export is located for the next step. You now change secure boot mode to custom so you can manage platform key and key exchange keys. This gives you control. Once in custom, export existing PK/KEK if the firmware allows. This provides a fallback. Import the vendor or Microsoft KEK and DB keys when needed, making sure you select correct. Serve files from your USB. If a driver or OS needs signatures, enroll hashes into DB. After imports, wait for confirmation and do not restart until keys report as valid. You're ready to enable Secure Boot. Select Enabled and save changes, then perform a full cold reboot. Once the system boots to your OS, verify drivers and bootloaders load correctly. This confirms signatures match enrolled keys. If the system fails to boot, power off and use the recovery USB or re-enter UEFI to disable Secure Boot and restore previous keys. A key troubleshooting tip: always check firmware date/time and ensure the correct key files were enrolled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.